What's up, boys and girls? Welcome to another little episode. This is going to be a short one, but what I'm doing today is the sim rig TeamWeedy, and I've already done this. Everything's gone out of it, so now I figured out fabrication bits. Obviously this is your bar that's staying in, and I have to figure out how to put the steering wheel there. And whilst I'm at it, I want to chuck some fancy stuff at it. If you guys remember our test kits for strut bracing, our own ones, they're just here. So this one goes on here like that. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Put this one on, strut bars, things like that, whatever I got time for today. That'll be the episode.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive.
Alright, so first things first, this one's on. Nice and easy. And as you can see, that's sturdy as it comes. And with these locational ones, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave them just in case I need to take them off and things like that, to sell the kit or whatever. That one goes in through the bottom of this. And these two, just use the door ones. Make sure you align your door, you know, so it's opening and closing nicely. Alright, I'm going to go and fit the other one, and then move on to the strut bar. Well, next up, the strut brace. Clean this up a bit so it looks a bit nicer, but it's definitely the most money I'm going to chuck at something that's never going to drive for it to look cool. Alright, let's try these. Should be easy enough. I mean, all this is, yeah, already had this all off, so should be easy enough. And then just do the right side, that would help. Stick them on, tighten them up, peachy.
Health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head.
Well, how good does this look? It's really good, nice fitment. Obviously when you guys fit in it, make sure everything's nice and loose. Then you put the bar in, and then you tighten everything. That's the way forward. Alright, let's carry on with that next. Bits and bobs. I'll probably do the bottom bits, because they're easily accessible, and then go from there. Fit to the bottoms, self-explanatory, nice and easy. Fits nicely. So far, so good. Right, we got a lower brace in. And with this one here, I'll try and get to it. You use the inner bolt. There's two there, and two go from very underneath. So for these ones you wire this through. That one just reuse the bolts, and yeah, here we have it. And I think we went too quick on what we were doing, because next bit here is actually this. That goes there, and this goes underneath there. So yeah, we're taking the strut bar off. So yeah, as you do.
If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas.
Alright, don't even know how I forgot about that one, because that's meant to go on first. I should know better. And we found a little flaw with our test kit. It's facing the other way. But other than that, this is good, this is good. A little scratch there, but it's looking really good. Fitment's peachy. Lost one of the bolts as well, but I'll figure it out later. And yeah, it's looking good. Only problem with we haven't at the minute is a H brace, because that one needs riv nuts, but I don't have a gun. Because it ends up that my gun is missing one of the tips, so I can't do it. So alright, let's go to the rear. Do a rear brace first and then see where we land.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day.
Alright, that's nice and simple. Just trigger it that way and, you know, bolt it down. 2 bolts, 14s and 15s on the top. Well, 15 on one side and smaller on the other. Alright, now the rear end. High bar, nice and easy. Obviously these cups stay up. And then you got 19. That's drop, so ideally you want to support something, because this one doesn't have anything here. We didn't support it, we just went for it. Didn't we? I just went for it. Well, boys and girls, this is definitely a success on that part of this one. As you can see, a lot of braces are in, both of them, and that's a 19 there. Connects the first hole, and this one connects from back here, so you got 17 and connected to your subframe and lower arm. And the only thing we haven't done is H brace, because that one needs hole re-drilling so you can feed the nut through, and I'm not actually sure where it's meant to go because there's no gearbox at the minute. So on that note, I think we can call this a success, and that's our third part of our sim build. I've stripped the inside, fitted all the bracing, bar H brace, and next up I think this rear end's going, and we're gonna start putting things in, figuring out where goes what, and maybe if Muddy comes through with what he's planning, we're gonna have some sponsored stuff on this one, so we'll see who jumps on the thing, and yeah, soon enough you guys might see this at the events, and come and join us, have fun in sim racing, and yeah. Alright, on that note, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Ciao.